It's a dog toy. Stole it from my mother-in-law's dog last night. I did.
We borrowed it.
We borrowed it. We'll give it back to him. But how many of you have ever seen a dog when they've lost their favorite toy? If it's under the couch or behind it, they will grab and grab and grab and grab at that, try to get that toy from under
Rush does that all the time because his bone gets under the couch.
or if it's under the bed, they'll try to get under the bed and get it. Even dogs feel sadness, right, Daniel? Yeah. Dogs will feel sadness just like we do.
We had to take care of our dog when my dad left, and he was like fresh fruit.
Yeah. Yeah. And that's what Jill said. Her dog had puppies a while back, and the puppies died. And said the mama dog just cried like a human mother would. And she just cried and cried and cried.
Are they dying?
That I don't know. But how many of you have ever lost someone you love? Maybe a grandma or grandpa, aunt, uncle, mom, dad, someone like that? You lost? Okay, so you put your hands down. But it was sad, wasn't it? It was sad when we lost somebody we loved. It was. Okay. Do you know that when we feel sadness, we can give that sadness to God?
Yeah.
We can ask God to take the sadness away and help us to feel better. And God will remind us that we are loved, that we are taken care of, that He loves us, and that He wants to take care of us. So when you do feel sad, and we all will at some point in our lives, and more than once, we can give it to God, right? We can give that sadness to God.